Find the equivalent capacitance of the system between A and B. This is a diagram. C1, C2, C3, C1, C2. Same value. You have to find out the equivalent capacitance between A and B. This can be, if I am going to remove the C1, C3, what happens? It makes no difference. And I am adding battery in this. So this is a technique how you are going to replace this. One capacitor, another capacitor, and then here say the battery I am applying this in place of battery. It makes no difference. Like that. As here and here having the same charge, potential is same, so no charge is going to flow in this. So here C1, here C2, C1, C2, right? The capacitor C3 is connected between C and D. Here the C and D. And what happens? It will have no charge. The charges on this remaining 4 capacitors will remain unchanged. ये चार्ज जो है इसमें कोई it will remain same. C1, C2, C3, C4. It makes C3 makes no difference. If I am going to remove it according to the structure of the circuit, it makes no difference. So in fact I am going to remove it. So here this is your A and this is a B. So equivalent, C equivalent, these two are in parallel and these two are these two are in series and these two are in series, and the resultant will be in parallel to these two. So how to write? This way. The C equivalent, these two parallel, means equivalent of C1 and C2. पहले हमको ये निकालना पड़ेगा C1 C2, that is C1 C2 का equivalent series में है 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So C is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Right? Similarly, this lower part is also having C equivalent C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Now these two are in parallel. So C equivalent is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 plus C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. Now solve it and get it. Find the capacitance of the infinite ladder. This is a diagram, and here between A and B you have to find out the equivalent capacitance, and this one. ये इसी तरह का है कि एक समुद्र से एक मग पानी उसमें ऐड कर दो, कोई अंतर नहीं पड़ेगा. तो समथिंग लाइक दैट. यहाँ पर इसका हम लोग इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस यहाँ से यहाँ तक का, PQ से लेकर राइट साइड तक का हम लोग मान लेते हैं C1 यहाँ पर ऐड कर दिए इसकी जगह में, तो पूरा का कैपेसिटेंस C1 के बराबर ही होगा. अगर 2 और ऐड हो जाता है तो भी कोई अंतर नहीं पड़ेगा. इट इज़ लाइक दैट. द सर्किट डायग्राम इज़ लाइक दैट. C and C was there, this C and C, and in place of that I have connected C1 as the equivalent capacitor of capacitance of all this. Then this C and C1 are in series, and the equivalent of C and C1 is in parallel with C. So we have to write in this way: C1, the equivalent, is equal to C plus C1 by C plus C1, C plus C1, like that. And then just you solve it, you will get it. How much we are getting? C1C plus C1 square is equal to C square is equal to C square plus 2C1. Take the LCM and then multiply, you will get it. So ultimately what we will get, the answer will be the other equation. The equation will be this. Now all this quantity इसको सब इस तरफ करेंगे तो मेरा आ जाएगा C1 square minus C1 minus C square is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. Find out the root. C1 is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4c. So in that particular form, what we'll get? C plus under root C square plus 4C square by 2. Here it is plus minus, we are neglecting the minus term. That will be 1 plus root 5 into C by 2. That should be the answer. Again you have to see once the ladder numericals. ये पूरा का पूरा टोटल पार्ट को हम लोग C1 कैपेसिटेंस मान लिए and that is going to be added here. ये तो ये दोनों था ही, and then this C and C1 are in series and the equivalent of C and C1 are in parallel with C. Now we are going to solve and get the answer. Okay.